Space exploration is a complex and expensive endeavor. It requires the collaboration of many different people, organizations, and countries in order to be successful. With so many space agencies competing for funding and recognition, it can be difficult to determine which are the best. In this video, we will take a look at the top 5 space agencies based on their achievements and accomplishments. We will explore their history, research efforts, and successes in order to determine which are the most successful space programs in the world today. Here comes the top 5. I hope you like it. The Russian Federal Space Agency, also known as the Roscosmos State Corporation, is number 5 on the largest space agency in the world list. It has achieved a number of remarkable feats in its history, including launching the first satellite into space Sputnik 1 and sending the first man and woman into space. The agency has also made history by sending off its first mission to carry more than one person into space. The Roscosmos State Corporation has made a significant contribution to science and technology over the years, and their achievements have shaped our understanding of outer space. They have continued to push boundaries with their cutting-edge research and development, making them an integral part of international collaboration on space exploration. The European Space Agency, or ESA, is number 4 on the largest international space agency in the world list. With 22 member states, it has a much bigger reach than other agencies and is able to coordinate activities more effectively. The ESA has been one of the major contributors to the International Space Station, with their latest achievement, sending a new robot arm to the station. The ESA has also launched several probes and satellites into space. It is also involved in research activities such as developing new technologies for spacecrafts and exploring Mars. The agency works with many other countries around the world to further its goals of advancing space exploration and research. The Chinese National Space Administration, CNSA, is an important player in the global space industry, with their own unique approach to space exploration. They have the number 3 spot on the list. Unlike most other space agencies, the CNSA has not been involved in the International Space Station, ISS. Instead, they have developed their own units of a space station and are working towards having a fully functioning module. This is an ambitious goal that could revolutionize the way we view and interact with outer space. With their own distinct approach to space exploration, the CNSA has become one of the world's top 3 space agencies, sparking more growth and competition in the whole space industry. For 6 decades, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, has been the number 1 space agency in the world. Only recently they have been lowered to the 2nd place on the list. It has led the competition in space exploration, and its efforts have resulted in peace and understanding between nations. NASA has been involved in some of the most iconic space missions, such as Apollo 11's first manned mission to the Moon, Voyager 1's journey to explore outer space, and Curiosity's mission to Mars. NASA is also responsible for launching satellites into orbit that provide us with valuable data about our planet. With its innovative projects and groundbreaking discoveries, NASA continues to be a leader in space exploration. Spacex, owned by the iconic entrepreneur Elon Musk, has become the number 1 space agency in the world. With its Falcon 1, Falcon 9, Falcon Heavy and Starship with its booster rockets, SpaceX has made rapid progress and taken over the market. It has revolutionized space travel with its rapidly reusable rockets that can send satellites into orbit for internet access. The company is now focused on making space travel more accessible to everyone, and they are working to get Starship orbit with test flights as soon as possible. Because SpaceX has been breaking record and they took over the market with space flights and satellites, it has gotten the number 1 spot. What do you think? Is this a proper top 5, or do you think some agencies deserve better or worse spots on the list? Tell me in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to push that button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more.